you want to have some discussion in your group about certain topics regarding to some like things, and you want to do that in a Telegram group, right? And you really want to create a topic on that. I mean, there is an option that says like you can add topics to your group and you can have discussion about that, but you really don't know how to add topic to your Telegram group, then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add topic in your Telegram group so that you can have discussion with your friends or your colleagues. And yeah, that's it. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, you have to tap into the Telegram app itself, and it will lead you to this chat page. All you have to do is choose a group where you want to add topic. Let's choose this one right here. And at the very top right corner, you can see a profile icon. Let's tap into that. And let's go to the edit option that is again at the top right corner. And here you can see various options that says group type, invite links, chat history, and here is the option of topics. This is where you add topics. It is off right now. You have to turn it on by simply tapping here, and now it is enabled. Now you can simply tap in that create new topic option, and here you can add a topic name, for example. Okay, topic, let's tap in create. You can also like choose emojis, so let's set this one. Yeah, it's interesting. So let's hit that create button, and there you go. Now you can discuss this, and your friends can, the group member can like talk about this topic right here. And this is how you add topics in the Telegram group. Now you can simply have like open discussions about this topic. You can change the topic as well. You can add another topic as well. And I hope this video was helpful. That's it for today's video. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.